What if I told you that joint pain, bone weakness, and difficulty climbing stairs after 60 aren't inevitable parts of aging, but symptoms of nutritional deficiency? Here's a shocking truth. While most Americans rely on expensive glucosamine supplements and pain medications that cost hundreds per month, 5 inexpensive whole foods sitting in your pantry right now contain more bone-building compounds, natural anti-inflammatories, and joint lubricants than any synthetic supplement. The secret? Ancient cultures have used these foods for centuries to maintain mobility and strength well into their 90s. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal these 5 superfoods and the exact science behind why they work better than most over-the-counter joint supplements. If you're over 60 or want to prevent problems before they start, this information could change your life. Welcome to Health Morph, where we combine cutting-edge nutritional science with time-tested wisdom to help you age powerfully and pain-free. I'm here to show you that joint pain, osteoarthritis, and bone loss aren't inevitable consequences of getting older. They're the result of specific nutritional deficiencies and inflammatory processes that you can address naturally, starting today. Today, I'm breaking down 5 scientifically validated superfoods that target the root causes of joint degeneration: calcium loss, reduced synovial fluid, your body's natural joint lubricant, cartilage breakdown, and chronic inflammation. These aren't trendy supplements, they're whole foods with centuries of traditional use, now backed by modern research. Let's dive in. Understanding joint degeneration, the real culprits. Before we reveal the 5 superfoods, let's understand what's actually happening in aging joints. Number 1, cartilage breakdown. The smooth tissue cushioning your joints gradually wears away, causing bone-on-bone friction and pain. Number 2, reduced synovial fluid. This natural joint grease decreases with age, leading to stiffness, especially in the morning. Number 3, chronic inflammation. Low-grade systemic inflammation accelerates joint damage and triggers pain signals. Number 4, bone density loss. After age 50, bone mineral density drops about 1% per year in women and 0.5% in men, increasing fracture risk. The good news? Targeted nutrition can address all 4 simultaneously. Let's break down the 5 most powerful foods. Superfood number 1, white sesame seeds, nature's calcium powerhouse. Why they're superior? Move over milk. White sesame seeds contain more bioavailable calcium than dairy, meaning your body actually absorbs and uses it more efficiently. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds provides approximately 88 milligrams of calcium, plus cofactors like magnesium and zinc that enhance absorption. But sesame's benefits go beyond bones. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, natural joint lubricants that increase synovial fluid production. Sesame oil compounds penetrate joint tissues, reducing stiffness and inflammation. Copper and manganese essential for collagen synthesis and cartilage repair. How to use? Lightly toast 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds in a dry pan until fragrant. Consume with warm water or milk first thing in the morning. Alternatively, sprinkle roasted seeds on salads, oatmeal, or whole grain toast. Caution: avoid if you have high blood pressure, are on blood thinners, have kidney stones, or IBS, as sesame can be gas-producing and may interfere with certain medications. Superfood number 2, foxnuts or Makhana, the collagen protector. Why they're underrated? Foxnuts are a staple in traditional Asian medicine, revered for building ojas, life force, and structural strength. Modern analysis reveals why. They're loaded with calcium, phosphorus, and unique proteins that support natural collagen production. Foxnuts are exceptionally rich in calcium, 60 milligrams per ounce, comparable to dairy. Phosphorus, critical for bone matrix formation and energy metabolism. Camphorol, a flavonoid that inhibits inflammatory enzymes, COX-2, similar to NSAIDs but without side effects. And alkaloids that support cartilage regeneration and reduce joint space narrowing. How to use? Evening protocol. Add a handful of roasted foxnuts to warm milk 1 hour before bed. The combination of calcium, tryptophan, and anti-inflammatory compounds promotes both bone repair and better sleep. Snack option. Dry roast foxnuts in ghee, clarified butter, sprinkle with black pepper and a pinch of salt. This makes a satisfying, joint-healthy snack. Caution. Avoid if you have gout, high uric acid, kidney stones, or are on anticoagulants. Foxnuts contain moderate purines and may interfere with blood thinning medications. Superfood number 3. Turmeric plus black pepper, the golden inflammation fighter. Why this combo works? Turmeric alone is poorly absorbed, only about 3% enters your bloodstream, but add black pepper and absorption skyrockets by 2,000%. This is thanks to piperine in black pepper, which inhibits enzymes that break down curcumin before it reaches your joints. The science? Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. Here's what research shows. Curcumin inhibits NF-kappa B, a protein complex that triggers inflammatory cascades in joint tissues. It protects synovial fluid from oxidative damage, maintaining joint lubrication. Multiple studies show it slows cartilage breakdown by inhibiting matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs, enzymes that degrade cartilage. How to use? Golden milk protocol. Before bed, warm 8 ounces of milk, dairy or plant-based. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Optionally, add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon and a touch of honey. This ancient Ayurvedic remedy, now validated by dozens of clinical trials, reduces joint pain, improves morning mobility, and supports deep restorative sleep. Caution. Avoid if you have bleeding disorders, gallstones, or iron deficiency anemia. Turmeric can thin blood and may interfere with iron absorption. Superfood number 4. Flaxseeds, the joint lubricant. Why they're essential after 60? Morning joint stiffness, that rusty hinge feeling when you first wake up, is a telltale sign of reduced synovial fluid. Flaxseeds are nature's answer. The science? Flax seeds are the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that reduces inflammatory markers. Studies show significant drops in C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, IL-6, within 4 weeks. Protects cartilage. ALA inhibits enzymes that break down cartilage matrix. How to use? Daily protocol. Lightly roast half to 1 tablespoon of flax seeds on low heat. Grind them fresh. Pre-ground loses potency quickly. Mix into yogurt or smoothies, oatmeal or cereal, whole grain flour when making rotis, Indian flatbread, or water. Drink immediately as it thickens. Pro tip: always grind flax seeds fresh. Whole seeds pass through your digestive system undigested. You won't get the omega-3 benefits. Caution: start with small amounts if you have digestive sensitivity. Flax seeds are high in fiber and can cause bloating if introduced too quickly. Superfood number 5, black lentils, or Urad Dal, the bone builder. Why they outperform other legumes? When it comes to calcium content, black lentils, or Urad Dal, reign supreme among legumes, containing nearly double the calcium of red lentils or mung beans. The science? Black lentils provide high calcium content, 138 milligrams per cooked cup, significantly more than most plant proteins. Iron, critical for oxygen delivery to joints and bone marrow. Protein, 18 grams per cup, essential for muscle maintenance that supports joints. Bone-building minerals, magnesium, phosphorus, and trace minerals that work synergistically with calcium. How to use? Versatile options. Khichdi, cook with rice, turmeric, and cumin for an easily digestible, mineral-rich meal. Dal soup, pressure cook with garlic, ginger, and tomatoes, season with cumin and coriander. Dosa, ferment with rice and make savory crepes. Fermentation increases mineral bioavailability. Halwa, traditional dessert made with ghee and jaggery, occasional treat for special occasions. Note: black lentils are dense and protein-rich. If you have a sensitive digestive system, start with smaller portions and ensure they're well cooked with digestive spices like cumin, ginger, or asafoetida. Your 6-week joint restoration protocol. Morning upon waking. 1 tablespoon roasted white sesame seeds with warm water. Mid-morning/lunch, include black lentils in your meal 3 to 4 times a week. Afternoon snack, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed into yogurt or smoothie. Evening snack, optional, handful of roasted foxnuts with black pepper. Before bed, golden milk, warm milk plus half teaspoon of turmeric plus pinch of black pepper. Weekly schedule. Black lentils, 3 to 4 times per week. Foxnuts, 3 to 4 times per week. Daily, sesame seeds, flax seeds, golden milk. Important guidelines. Start with 1 to 2 foods and gradually add others. Listen to your body, adjust portions based on digestion. Stay consistent for at least 6 weeks to see measurable improvement. Combine with gentle movement like walking, swimming, or yoga. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for joint health. What to expect? Week 1 to 2, reduced inflammation, better sleep. Week 3 to 4, decreased morning stiffness, improved mobility. Week 5 to 6, noticeable pain reduction, increased flexibility. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Even incorporating 1 to 2 of these foods consistently will yield benefits. Q. Can these foods really replace joint supplements like glucosamine? A. While they work through different mechanisms, research shows whole food approaches can be equally or more effective. These foods provide calcium, anti-inflammatories, and omega-3s that supplements often lack, plus hundreds of synergistic compounds that enhance absorption and effectiveness. Q. How long before I see results? A. Most people notice reduced inflammation and better sleep within 1 to 2 weeks with consistent use. Significant improvements in pain and mobility typically appear around week 4 to 6 with consistent use. Q. Am I safe eating these foods if I'm on blood thinners? A. Some, especially sesame seeds, flax seeds, and turmeric, have mild blood thinning effects. Consult your doctor before adding them in therapeutic amounts if you're on anticoagulants like warfarin or aspirin. Q. I'm lactose intolerant. Can I still do golden milk? A. Absolutely. Use almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk. The turmeric and black pepper work just as well. You can also take turmeric with a small amount of healthy fat, like a spoonful of ghee or coconut oil, to enhance absorption. Q. Do these work for younger people too? A. Yes, prevention is easier than repair. If you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, incorporating these foods now can prevent joint problems from developing later. Your joints don't have to limit your life. That pain, stiffness, and fear of losing mobility, it's not a life sentence. It's a signal that your body needs specific nutrients to rebuild, repair, and restore itself. These 5 superfoods aren't magic bullets, but they are powerful tools. Tools that work with your body's natural healing capacity rather than against it. Tools that cost dollars, not hundreds of dollars. Tools that have been used successfully for centuries and are now validated by modern science. 60 isn't old, 70 isn't old, 90 isn't old, if you have strong bones and healthy joints to carry you there. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. At Health Morph, we believe your body is designed for decades of strong, pain-free movement. Give it the nutrition it needs, and it will carry you exactly where you want to go. Start today. Your future self, the one climbing stairs effortlessly at 80, is counting on you.